Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Moreno, the instructor, professor for this class. I'm going to make a quick video to share with you how to navigate this class. Surely by now you've clicked on a lot of links, so have some idea of what you should be doing. The main page is the modules page. And you'll see a start here module. Just some basic things, the syllabus, course schedule, which I'll be updating uh, very soon. But it's got most of the information you need on there, and a couple of activities that I want you to complete. Um, Namely the syllabus quiz, your bio, and a readiness assessment. But the main pages where you will be engaging with the course will be through these modules. Uh, the module page, when you click on that, that takes you to information about the module. There are 6 modules. It has the course outcomes and module outcomes. And importantly, you will find PowerPoints. These are going to be a really important resource for you. This class does not have a textbook. So these serve as important resources where you could look up information. I can click on one just to give you a sense of what that might look like. But it's got instructional slides. And you'll find the slides related to each module there. And you'll also find links to the Newton Alta assignments that I'll share with you here in a minute, how those work. And then there are 3 other kinds of assignments, which I sort of like to think of as hands-on assignments. Those are the construction and proofs, uh, the standards-based problem solving, and the multicultural math. Now you'll also find all that same content. You'll find all that same content, except for the outcomes, just by looking here. Um, and there's actually, in addition to that, some video support. Let me add a header here just so you can see it a little better. So these are the Newton Alta homework. That's pretty standard type of homework. We'll put that header up here so you'll be able to distinguish those. But it's pretty standard homework assignments. You know, you click on it and that takes you, by the way, directly into the web into the well, the website that carries the assignments, and it's just got question and answer kind of things. If you need some instruction, you can view the instruction. It's got videos and text instruction. Let's see, should be able to see some text type of instruction. These are videos. Uh, so nonetheless, there's different ways to receive instruction within the program. And those are the kind of standard assignments. And then um, we have what I like to think of as like hands-on. assignment. So I'm going to create a header. These are either designed by me or these are resources that I've found over the years, some from textbooks that I've used in the past, or just other resources that I've come across. And so this one is some geometric constructions. Uh, this one is video instructed, and it's trying to load. Let me try that again. Not quite sure. Oh, it's a YouTube video. So let me try to skip this so it'll let me. Okay, so it'll run you through how to do constructions, geometric constructions. Then we have some word problem type application assignments. Those are the standards based. Now, what I've started doing this semester is making these require AI supported learning. And as you go through the assignment, you'll see this is actually the blue part is the actual assignment. And then it'll tell you how to use Claude AI specifically uh, to support your strategizing and problem solving. And you'll have to be submitting your chat logs. I may need to add that prompt here that requires you to submit your chat log. I didn't, oh, it is in there. It is in there. You must use your Claude AI as indicated below and submit your chat log. So you'll find an SBAI chat log and that'll be for any assignment, you'll find a chat log submission tab for any assignment that requires you to use AI. That's the only one on this one. This one is a dream catcher that you need to build. And so those are the types of assignments. You know, you have your regular kind of question answer, standard math assignments, and then you have these hands-on assignments. Sometimes those hands-on assignments require you to use AI as a thinking partner, and then you'll be submitting the your homework, and in addition to that, your AI. Just real quick look at the syllabus. Um, it's basically has the same content that I've already gone over. It's the course. This is 2134, which is fundamentals of elementary math. It's essentially a geometry course. I have two sections that are online, and I do have office hours that I keep because I am here on campus twice a week, and you have to use Newton Alta. You don't have to pay anything because most of you are in the Books for Less program. There's adaptive learning assignments, which is the kind of standard assignments. Then there's three kinds of other assignments. There is a gen ed assignment that comes towards the end of the class. This is a G course, so we have to meet other objectives that are for general education courses. There's only one gen ed assignment that comes towards the end. I should mention there's a midterm and a final exam. Those are Zoom proctored. which means that you must have two devices when you log on. When I set the dates for those, there's usually uh, multiple times to accommodate different schedules, but you'll have to have a device where you do the assignment, and then you'll have to have a device where you can have your camera on during the testing. And those are worth 40% of your grade. And there's a breakdown of the other assignments that I've already covered. And so that's the general outline for this course. I encourage you to reach out to me if you have any questions, to ask me if you're struggling with specific problems. I did note that there's videos and for each module that supports you in doing some of those more so for the Newton Alta assignment, but the other hands-on assignments will have embedded videos that I've created here and there over the years. And so I believe you have lots of resources, but if there's something missing that you need help with, please send me a note, and I'm happy to try to figure out a way to provide you with support to complete assignments and finish strong with this course. Have a wonderful semester.